Welcome back to Urbanism Spinning. You might have heard a lot of myths about architects and architecture. But here I am. I'm going to burst some myths about architects and architecture today for you. So let's get started. Number 1. Architecture is just about making buildings look pretty.
Myth. Many people think architects only focus on the visual aspect of buildings like making them aesthetically pleasing. But in reality, while aesthetics are important, architecture is primarily about creating functional, safe, and sustainable spaces. Architects balance beauty with practicality, ensuring that designs work in harmony with the environment and purpose.
Number 2. Architecture is all about creativity and artistic vision.
Myth. It's often assumed that architecture is purely a creative and artistic profession. But in reality, while creativity is essential, architecture is also deeply rooted in technical skills, knowledge of materials, structure systems, and building codes. Architects must solve complex problems with a combination of design, engineering, and functionality.
Number 3. Architects only work on large, expensive projects.
Myth. Many people think architects only design large commercial buildings or luxury homes, but in reality, architects work on a wide range of projects, including small residential homes, public spaces, urban planning, and even interior design. The scope of an architect's work is not limited to large scale developments.
Number 4. Architects do all the work on their own.
Myth. It's a common misconception that architects work in isolation, handling everything from design to construction on their own. But in reality, architects often collaborate with engineers, contractors, urban planners, interior designers, and other professionals. Building a structure is a team effort, and architects rely heavily on teamwork and collaboration to ensure a successful project.
Becoming an architect is all about drawing.
Myth. Some people think that architecture is all about sketching or drawing pictures of buildings. But in reality, while drawing and design skills are important, much of an architect's work involves computer modeling, 3D visualization, technical calculations, and collaborating with other professionals. Architecture today involves technology and software like CAD, BIM, and parametric design tools.
These were some 5 myths that everybody thinks about architecture or architects. If you liked the video, do let me know in the comments section. I'll be back with part 2 busting more architecture myths for you. Thank you. Bye.